Welcome to this video on SINUMERIK Encoder Divergence Monitoring, the guardian of precision. We will explore the functional dynamics of encoder difference monitoring, a critical safety mechanism in high-performance CNC systems like the SINUMERIK ONE 840 DSL/828D. Why use dual feedback? High-performance CNCs use two feedback loops. Encoder 1 is robust but indirect, susceptible to drivetrain errors. Encoder 2 is precise but sensitive to vibration. Machine Data 36510 validates the gap between these two truths to ensure accuracy. Machine Data 36510 is defined by the system variable $MA_ENC_diff_TOL. It is a floating point real data type, measured in millimeters, inches, or degrees. It sets the maximum permissible deviation between the actual values of the two measuring systems. The standard value is 0.1 millimeters. The logic of divergence monitors the difference between the positions of encoder 1 and encoder 2 against the machine data 36510 tolerance window. If the absolute difference exceeds the machine data 36510 value, a fault is triggered and an alarm is raised. This cyclical monitoring occurs at the interpolation clock cycle. For activation, machine data 36510 monitoring requires the configuration to include two encoders. The axis must be traversing, and both sensors must be referenced and synchronized. The monitoring logic is suspended if an encoder loses reference to prevent nuisance alarms. Machine data 36500 manages the handover and is active only at the instant of sensor switch. In contrast, machine data 36510 guards the operation continuously. It detects drift over tolerance, triggering an alarm before damage occurs. Machine Data 36510 acts as a digital thermometer for the machine's mechanical health, detecting hardware sources of signal deviation, such as slippage, thermal expansion, mechanical backlash, wear, and signal distortion. These are all reflected in the difference between the two encoders. When the tolerance is breached, the system triggers alarm 25105. The controller enable is withdrawn, leading to a rapid stop using a braking ramp defined by Machine Data 36610. This safety stop prevents part damage or uncontrolled axis movement. Machine Data 36510 provides a second opinion on precision. While it monitors process quality, safety integrated functions, using parameters like Machine Data 36914 and Machine Data 36918, monitor integrity and personal safety through cross-checking between NCK and the drive. For diagnostics, you can use drive parameter R0497 and system variables to track the following error between System 1 and System 2. The service trace visualizes deviations, often clearly showing a spike during events like motor reversal. The goal of the tuning strategy is to find the sweet spot. This is achieved by setting the tolerance to the sum of maximum mechanical backlash, thermal variance, and a safety margin. Too low risks nuisance alarms, too high risks ignoring mechanical failure. The troubleshooting workflow for alarm 25105 starts by checking machine data 30200 for encoder configuration, then mechanical coupling, scaling/gearbox ratios, and hardware swap. Finally, check the zero mark offset parameter machine data 34090. In summary, machine data 36510 is the bridge between the digital setpoint and physical reality. It validates closed-loop reliability, bridges indirect and direct feedback, and ensures both process safety and part quality. Precision is about verifying you are actually there. For more information, please refer to the function manuals, the Synamics S120 drive functions, and the parameter manual listed here. This video is based on the Siemens SINUMERIK ONE /840 DSL 828D system documentation.